Hello my dear students and viewers. So today I will be showing you few of the very cool features of MS Word. Note that my MS Word version is of 2007. My Office version is of 2007. So things might differ with other versions of MS Word. Okay. So let's start. First of all I need to open MS Word. Now at first I will show you how to insert a picture. First of all, I will go to Insert tab, click upon Insert tab. This one is the Insert tab. Okay. Over here, you can see this picture icon. Just click over here. Okay. So wherever you have pictures, you just click upon that. For example, I have picture upon pictures. Okay. This is the folder. See, sample pictures. I have few of the pictures, few of the pics stored in folder named sample pictures. Okay. So double click upon that. Your contents are visible now. For example, these are the default picture which are available in operating system, that is Windows 7. Okay. So let's take this one as an example. What I did is I double clicked upon the picture and it came on MS Word. Okay. Now this is your picture. You have successfully inserted the picture. Now let's suppose you want to make the picture smaller or crop it or whatever you want to do it. First of all, you just go to text wrapping over here. Clear? You just go to text wrapping, click upon here, and over here few of the features are there. You just select this one, thorough. What it will do is it will make you the availability, it will avail you the feature, that is you can move the picture anywhere around the whole page. So let's click it. As soon as you clicked upon thorough, your picture can be moved right now anywhere. See, anywhere. Clear? So let's make it a bit smaller. To make it a bit smaller, what you need to do is you need to bring the cursor over here, pointer over here, and just like this, select, drag and drop like this. I hope that all of you do know drag and drop process. See, just click, left click, do not remove the finger, do not remove the finger, and then keep on dragging and then leave it. Clear? Again I am showing you. This is known as drag and drop. Click, drag whatever size you want and then drop. From this way also you can do. See, drag and then drop. This side also let's do it, drag and then drop. So I hope you understood how it's been done. So let's make it a bit smaller so that you can get the full visibility. Okay, now our picture is in the center of the page. You want to insert a frame on this picture. See, there are different frames. Let's suppose select this picture and select this one. See how it looks. Is that clear? Okay, so if you want a different frame, you can select a different one. Various frames are there. See, this looks something more of 3D. See, okay, so now if you want any of the editing upon the picture, you just right click upon the picture and over here at the bottom you will find format picture. So as soon as you will click upon format picture, these are the features that you get. You can increase the brightness, you can decrease the brightness, you can increase the contrast, you can decrease the contrast. You can even recolor your picture. This one, do not opt for this feature unless and until you have a very creative mind for pictures, because it just changes the whole thing of the picture. It just changes the whole color of the picture. For example, let's select this one. See how the thing became. I don't think a leaf or leaves look like this. Understood? Generally leaves color is green, but over here the color got changed completely. Leaves do not have this type of color, so do not change that. You can just simply, to go back, you can just simply click upon here. This will revert back the change. Whatever change you have did, this will revert back. You just click upon this, things will get reverted. Reverted means to go back. Okay, so format picture. There are other features also, line color, line style. These will make changes in the outside line. Okay, shadows are also there. Understood? You can even increase or decrease the transparency. If you will increase the transparency, it will become more of transparent. Shadows will become more transparent. See at the bottom, just reduce it. See transparency, the transparency got reduced. Okay, okay, so these are the few of the features. You can just go and check individual features. If any of the changes occurs and you do not like the change, you can simply select that and just click upon this revert option. Whatever changes you have done, it will go back and get reverted. So no problem. Okay, so no issue. Okay, now let's suppose, okay, let's delete this picture. Just click on it, select. As soon as you will click upon this, it gets selected. Just press the delete button, del button. See, it vanished. Okay, now let's suppose you want to insert an audio. Let's suppose I am writing something. For example, I am writing something. This is our text, which is going to be very weird. So this is our text. Over here, I would like to insert an audio file, a song or whatever it is, a song or voice recorded or whatever. Click upon insert. Over here, you need to find object. Some, yes, object. Over here, insert object. Object means what? Object means a complete package. Not a package, simply a song or a video which is completely by itself. Is that clear? So just click upon it. See, you have different features. You can insert a custom bitmap image. You can even insert Microsoft equation, Microsoft graph chart. These are the features. But I do not need out of all this. What I need is an audio file. Audio file feature is not present over here. So what you need to go is, where you need to go is create from file. Over here, create from file. So just browse wherever your music or wherever your song or wherever your voice recorded is. Browse, just click upon browse. Generally I do not have mp3s or songs. Desktop, I think one song I have. I just selected desktop. These are the things which I have upon desktop. One song I must be having. Yes, Tune Mere Jaan. This one. Let's suppose I want to insert this. Just double click. Things got selected. Now there is another feature. Let's suppose if you do not opt to insert the whole file onto your Word, onto your page, then what you can do is you can just click upon link to file. What it will do is it will just link your mp3, your song or your voice recorded clip, and it will simply link it with your MS Word page. Is that clear? And if you will not click upon link to file, the whole 7 MB, my file was of 7 MB, okay, 7 megabyte. The whole 7 megabyte file will get inserted upon here. So if you would like to move this whole content along with the song, what you need to do is you should not click upon link to file, okay. But if you would like that the song, since the song is present on your lappy or on your desktop or on your PC, you do not need to make that, to make any of the changes. You do not need to make it portable. That means what, you do not need to transfer the content in pen drive and give it to someone else. You just simply link to file. As soon as you will link to file, the whole content, that 7 MB file, will not come on your Word file. It will simply link the file. It will simply link the Word file with that MP3. Now the problem is, if you will click upon link to file, you cannot make it any more portable. If you would like to transfer this, the song is on your desktop, right? The song is on your desktop. My file, my song is present on the desktop, right? But if I would like to transfer this whole content along with the song in pen drive, I would not be able to do this. I would not be able to do this. Okay, for that I need to uncheck it, so that the whole 7 MB file gets stick with this Word file. Am I clear? Okay. So simply click upon OK. See, this is the song. Tune Mere Jana. Okay. So this song got embedded. Now as soon as you will save the file, the song as well as the document, actually I am bit sick, that is why my voice is stucking, so I'm sorry for that. So this whole song got stick with the Word file. Okay. Now you can save the file. This is the saving option. Just click upon it. You can save it. Choose any of the location. Let's suppose I choose desktop. Just give a proper name, my file, and save it. As soon as you will save it, the song as well as the whole content both will get saved. It is not that the song is present on the desktop and the content is present inside the Word file. Now the whole file, let me show you the whole file, my file. See, this is the file, my file. Okay, this is the file. So see, how much MB is it showing? 7.64 MB. Why? Because you have embedded the song. You have completely embedded the song. Is that clear? I have double clicked it to open it. Okay. So this is the thing. Hope you have understood inserting the song, inserting voice file. Okay. The voice file can be anything, MP3 also. Okay. So just I would like to delete the whole content. I pressed upon delete. Okay, let's suppose you want to insert some of the other features. Let's suppose you want to insert some smart art. Just click upon it. You might have seen on different presentations that few of the cool pics are there. These are not pics, these are the smart arts. These are known as smart arts. Something like this. See, you might have seen like this. So my school, my campus, my friend's home. So these are few of the these are few of the random words which I have inserted to make you understand. You can change the style. Let's suppose you want the color, the depth of the color. You can even change format. Shapes are present also over here. You can even gradient fill. See, these are few of the presets present. Okay, so I would like to bring an end over here. On my next video I will show you few of the other features also. There are various features over here, you can select any of them. Okay, see, let's suppose I selected this. It looks something like this in the form of tiles. You can change few of the in other forms also. Is that clear? Okay, so thank you class, thank you viewers. Today my health is bit weak. I am suffering from sore throat as well as bit of fever. So in my next video I will show you few of the other features also. Okay, thank you.